Good morning, children. I'm Tasneem Khan, and today we will study an important lesson of English grammar. The chapter is Articles. Now, children, articles are actually demonstrative adjectives that are placed before a noun, which is singular. There are three articles, a, and the. A and an are indefinite articles, while the is a definite article. A and an are called indefinite because they do not point out any specific person or thing. A is used before words that begin with a consonant or which has a consonant sound, while an is placed before words that begin with a vowel or has a vowel sound. For example, we say a boy, a girl, a pen, because all these words begin with consonants. But we say a university. Here the word begins with a vowel, but it has the consonant sound of U. Similarly, we will write a uniform and a utensil. Again, uniform begins with a vowel U, but it has the pronunciation of U, that is a Y in U. Similar is the case of utensil. Another example is that when we write a 1 rupee note, here the sound of W is heard instead of O. So here also instead of an, what did we place? A before 1 rupee note. Now sometimes words begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound, like the abbreviation MLA. Here the vowel sound of M is heard in the place of the consonant M. So we write an Emily. Also we say an honest, as H is a silent letter word. Now let us see the rules that are there for the use of indefinite articles. Firstly, we should remember not to use indefinite articles before uncountable nouns. The other rules for the use of indefinite articles, a and an, are as follows. Number 1, when we mean 1 in number, example, give me a mango, or Rita has a new pen. Here it talks about 1 mango and 1 pen. Rule number 2, when we refer to habitual occurrence, for example, we will have classes once a week, indicating that the class is only going to be held one time in a week. Rule number 3, when we refer to whole class in a sense of all of them, like for example, the teacher is always respected. Now here we are talking about one teacher, or it can be any teacher or all of the teachers. Also, next rule says that when we speak of a profession or occupation, for example, Ram is a doctor. The next rule is about that when a countable noun follows the word such. For example, Kashmir is such a beautiful place. And the last rule, that is, a and an can be used with phrases like a little, few, thousand, dozen, and lot of. For example, Maya bought a dozen eggs, or Ram has a lot of courage. Okay, children, for today, that is all that we are going to study. We will continue with the definite articles and the rules regarding it in the next class.